Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Again, I'm here to teach you English. This is your English class, and I will be teaching you small alphabets. I have already taught you alphabets, small alphabets in my last video. You must have seen. I have taught you alphabets from A to A to Z. I have already taught you. Okay, so once again we are going to revise, but today I will be teaching you how to write. So, how to write English small letters, and till H I have already taught you. Now I will be teaching you after H. Okay. So how we write on the in the lines, within the lines. But just now we will just quickly revise the alphabets which we have already done. Okay. So along with the capital I will be writing this small also. Okay. So this is capital A. And this is how you write small a. Okay, you make a circle and then a standing line. Okay, and then this is capital B. Yes, and how you write small b, standing line, and the other way around, semicircle. Okay, then this is capital C, and small c is smaller than the capital C. Okay, then comes D. This is capital D, and small d. How do you write? Standing line, and this C you will bring it over here and you will close it. Now this has become D, small d. Then after D comes E. This is capital E, and how we write small e? Sleeping line and a semicircle. So now this is small e. Then E, then F. This is capital F, right? And how do we write small f? Yes. Grandfather's, make a grandfather's stick and then put a sleeping line over here. Then comes G. This is capital G, right? And this is small g, circle and then standing line and a curve. And then after G comes H. This is capital H and this is small h. Okay. Only standing line and sleeping line you have to use in this. Okay. Now, till here we have done in our copy. Okay. How to write within the lines. This is small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g and small h. Okay. So, now after H, which alphabet comes? After H comes I. So, this is capital I. Which alphabet is this? This is capital I, and small I, how do you write? That I am going to tell you. This is how you write small I. You make a small standing line and you have to put a small dot over here. Okay. This is very easy, very simple. Once again I'll draw. Okay. How do you write small I? Standing line and a dot. Okay, once again, standing line and a dot. So now this has become, this is small I. Okay, and capital I you write standing line and sleeping line on the top and sleeping line at the bottom. Okay, so this is capital I, this is small I. Capital I, small I. Now after I comes J. How to write J? J you write like this. Sleeping line. Okay. This is capital J. Standing line and you make a curve like this. This is capital J. Now how do you write small j? Just watch carefully. Okay. You just do, you have to do what? You just make a standing line like this and a curve like this you draw. Now you don't have to put a sleeping line over here. You just have to put, like I, you just have to put a dot over here. Okay, right children? Once again see. This is small j. Put a dot over here. Once again. This whole thing will come over here, and but you don't have to put this sleeping line. Okay, once again, standing line, and then make a curve like U over here, and then a dot. So this has become small j. What is this? Small j. This is capital J, small j. Capital J, small j. Right, children? So this is small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, and small h. Okay. Now after that comes small I and small j. So now I am going to rub this, and I am going to draw the lines, 4 lines like we have in the copy. So now today this work you are going to do in this copy, your E2 copy. Which copy? E2, English 2 copy. You are going to put today's date, CW, and very neatly you are going to write, and I am going to teach you how to write within the lines. Okay, so I am going to draw 4 lines over here. In this meanwhile, you can take out your English copies. Okay. Okay, children, now I have drawn this line over here. Now in these 4 lines, so there are 4 lines in your copy. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, okay, pink line, then 2 red line, then 2 blue lines, and then red line. Okay, so you have 4 lines. You have to write the alphabets. I'll teach you how to write within the lines. Okay, so most of your small alphabet you start from the second line. Okay, so I also, we will start from the second line. Leave the first line, and then you will start from the first line. You have to draw a standing line like this till the third line. Second line and third line, you have to write within these 2 lines. Right, children? So you draw a standing line, and then you put a dot over here. Okay, okay, so now this has become small I. What is this now? Small I. Once again, watch it carefully. Leave this line. Okay, first line leave, come to the second line, blue line, come to the blue line, and from the second line till the third line, between these 2 blue lines, you are going to draw a standing line, and then you put a small dot over here. Okay, your dot should not be over here. This will be wrong. Okay, don't put it over here. You have to put a dot a little above this standing line. Okay, right? Once again, from the second line till the third line, draw a standing line and then put a dot. Once again, from the second line till the third line, draw a standing line and a dot. Now this has become small I. Which alphabet is this? This is small I. Okay. And then how do you write a small j? Just watch it. Again, you are going to start from the second line. Okay, leave this first line. And you start from the second line. From the second line, you draw a standing line, come till the 4th line, and then make a curve like this. Right, children? And a dot over here. Fine? Okay. How do you draw a capital J? Capital J, you start from the first line until the third line, you draw it like this, and then make a slipping line. Okay, this is capital J. But small j, how do you write? You start from the second line till the 4th line. You will draw a standing line and a curve, and then put a dot over here. Okay, so this is small j. Okay, this one is capital J, so I will rub it. Just now we are learning only small j. We have already learned capital J, right? So again, watch. Leave this first line. From the second line, you draw a standing line like this, and then come to the last line and then make a curve. Okay, come to this pink line, red line. Okay, last line, and then you put a dot over here. Okay, right, children? Again, once again, leave the first line. From the second line, draw a curve like this and a dot. Once again. And a dot. So this is small j. So this is how you write small I and small j. Okay, small I and small j. So this work you are going to do in which copy, children? E2 copy. Okay, E2 copy, you are going to do this work very neatly and in good handwriting. Okay, and keep practicing it in your rough copy also. God bless you, children.